The following message was being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service, serving the Memphis, Tennessee metropolitan area. At around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, many reports of huge EF5 tornadoes spotted right near downtown Memphis, causing a huge amounts of destruction to suburban area. There were at least 100 deaths as the result of it. Debris from the tornado has also been reported, with scattered reports of material being released into the air. Please seek shelter if the tornado is getting closer to your area. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.
Welcome to the Oklahoma News, where we give you emergency news and updates. We have been updates around Oklahoma, Tennessee, and Mississippi, where a very large tornado surpassing EF5 tornado. It has caused a massive destruction to those three states. Also, many people, including people around social media such as Facebook, Instagram, subreddit, and Twitter, are all saying about the large tornado should be named the extreme tornado, which is quite an unusual name for this large-sized tornado. The following message was being transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Emergency Management Agency. The situation with the extreme tornadoes has gotten worse, and with this tornado grew larger than in many places in the affected areas are seeing the worst destruction than ever. It is surpassing the derecho, and scattered power outages being reported as well. Anybody in the affected areas are in extreme danger right now. If your area is about to be affected by this extreme large tornado, please evacuate immediately. Should you go back and pick up anyone who needs help, you will be facing a certain death if not evacuated already. Do not pick up loved ones and young ones from schools and hospitals. Those places are planning to evacuate to a safer route and planning to reunite others. This is a really life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously. Stay tuned for more information on this very life-threatening situation.